Well, if you look at the first quarter numbers of Reliance Industries, they were much below compared to what the street was estimating. Now, if you look at the revenue number, that has come in 7% low on a sequential basis. EBITDA is 2% down. Margins have come in at close to 17.6%, but the net profit number that has jumped nearly 39% on a Q-on-Q basis. Now, the reason behind this jump in net profit was a sale of listed investment. In the first quarter of FY26, Reliance Industries sold its stake in Asian Paints, which resulted into a profit of close to 8,900 crore rupees, and hence we are seeing this kind of a jump when it comes to the net profit number. Now, if you look at the segment-wise performance, other than Reliance Jio, all other segments reported a weakish number. Jio numbers are pretty much in line. If you look at the O2C number, the EBITDA number was lower owing to maintenance shutdown, poor petrochemical margins, and probably owing to inventory losses. When it comes to the retail segment, the EBITDA number was lower on owing to weaker sales. In fact, retail EBITDA margins have been flat for the last three consecutive quarters, and the drop that we have seen in the retail revenue and EBITDA is the largest that has happened in the last 5 quarters. When it comes to the oil and gas exploration business, there the EBITDA number was lower owing to lower gas volumes and lower prices. If you look at the net debt, it has increased to close to 1,17,600 crore rupees as against 1,17,000 that we had seen in the previous quarter. Now, coming back to the Reliance Jio numbers, that were pretty much in line with what the street was estimating. Revenues were up by around 2%, EBITDA increased by 5%, EBITDA margins came in at close to 54%, net profit number was higher by around 1 odd percent, while the ARPU increased by around 1.3% to close to 208.8 rupees per user per month. When it comes to subscriber number, that came in at close to 49.8 crore. In fact, this was the highest subscriber addition that the company has seen in the last 5 quarters. Overall, the numbers reported a growth on a sequential basis on the back of subscriber addition and the tariff hike that the company had taken 4 quarters back. But do remember that the ARPU growth has been slowing down given the fact that the tariff hike is getting priced in the number. Now, coming from the key management commentary, what has come in, firstly, they are aiming to track the gigafactories over the next 4 to 6 quarters. These will be commissioned. They also say that they will pursue a win-win partnership by bringing in partners who can contribute with both financing and offtake in the new energy business. So that is a key commentary coming in. Apart from that, they're also saying that the new energy business will be a self-funded platform in the next few years, and the company is overall confident of doubling their EBITDA by the decade end, that is by 2030.